Hey, it's Josh with Protein Collision, and today we're working on a 2020 Honda Pilot. We get a lot of questions, so we wanted to break down what we're doing to this vehicle and why. This vehicle was impacted to the two doors that requires replacement. It also is impacted on the center pillar. But once a door is past certain damage, where the metal is too stretched where we wouldn't be able to repair it, or if the door shell and intrusion beam are compromised, it would then require the doors to be replaced. So as you can see, this door has quite a bit of an impact. It doesn't look as much straight on. When you look down the panel, all of it is pushed in. All the mounting points for the molding are pushed in, and it has a lot of damage to it. You can also see it kind of curls out on the end, and the door shell itself is also compromised and twisted. The intrusion beam is the structural piece that actually keeps the passenger compartment safe. So if the vehicle sustains a side impact, this is the bar that's going to protect all the occupants within the vehicle. So once the intrusion beam is damaged or compromised, it requires the door to be replaced, as that is one of the primary components used to keep the passenger components safe. Even with the most advanced color matching technology, we still will need to paint the adjacent panel that we're replacing. It allows the repairs to be completely undetectable. People will ask us, well, why can't you? If you have all this advanced color matching technology, why do you have to paint this panel that's right next to it if you're matching it to the vehicle? So even house paint, all types of paint, it can be the same exact paint, no changes at all, but you still need to blend out that area, otherwise you're gonna have hard lines or some slight changes to the color effect. We still need to blend out that color so the repairs are completely undetectable. So in order to fix the doors, we have to blend the fender. In order to paint the fender, we need to remove the bumper, remove the bracket for the bumper, remove the headlight, remove the wheel opening molding, remove the fender liner, so that way we can completely prep, tape off, and mask this panel for refinish. The rear quarter panel also requires refinish because it's going to match up to the rear door. So we need to refinish it. That includes detrimming it and also removing everything from the outside of the quarter panel. So due to how the weather strips are on this panel, we can't mask it off. We actually need to remove the glass. So this vehicle still needs repairs. So we're going to be putting the doors on to fit everything up. We're going to measure the center pillar and do repairs to the center pillar where this is all pushed in. And then we're able to prep it for paint. This is going to require conventional repair techniques. But as you can see inside here, there's no natural breaks. The same thing with the quarter panel. So we actually need to remove the rocker, remove the weather stripping, and go all the way to the panel edge for a proper refinish technique. This allows us to warranty our work for the life you own the vehicle. This is what the manufacturer dictates that we should be doing on these types of repairs, and also what the paint manufacturer says, this is how the repair should be done, and they will warranty the work that we do as well. So these are the steps and requirements required to restore this vehicle to pre-damage condition. It is following the vehicle and paint manufacturer's guidelines that allows us to warranty our work for the life that you own the vehicle. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Please comment if you have any questions.